Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is show you all how to quickly and easily create your construction company pro forma financial projections. Now, in order to create your pro forma financial projections for your company in a quick and easy manner, I do recommend using my pro forma financial projection template that is included in my construction company business plan template. So in this video, what I'm going to do is walk you all through how to use my customizable construction company business financial model to create your pro forma financial projections. Usually it should take you about 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes if you follow this tutorial accordingly. All right, so the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to introduce myself, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, I'm going to show you all the financial model that's included in my construction company business plan template. And I'm going to show you how to use it to have your construction company for pro forma financial projections, which includes your 12-month profit and loss, as well as your 5-year annual projections, quickly and easily. All right, so with that said, again, as promised, a little about me. I'm Paul Borosky, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a business writer, a professional business writer, as well as a professional financial modeler. So if you do need help with writing your business plan or with your financial projections, you don't want to mess around with the tutorial, you don't want to mess around with the template, you just want someone to do it for you, I'm your man. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I am also an author of many published books on Amazon in regards to business plan writing. Check me out there, Amazon.com. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So I do know a little bit about business plan writing, entrepreneurship, and so on. All right, so here, when you do buy my construction company business plan template, you're going to get a Word document, and you are going to get a Word document, and then you're also going to get this Excel model, which is right here. This is what my Word document looks like right here. And so this is the Word document right here, which is covered in the tutorial for that is covered in another tutorial. And then this is the financial model right here, which is in Excel. When you open up the Excel model, you're going to have 4 tabs: your information page, your projections, your profit and loss, and your income statement. The information page, that is the heart and the soul, the meat and the potatoes of the financial model. Any numbers that you change here in the darker color cells, they will roll over into your profit and loss statement for 12 months, and they will also roll over to your income statement for the next 5 years. So the way this segment right here is broken into is we first start with our revenues. So this is the revenue segment. The title for the revenue generation is average construction job. For this right here, I'm saying that we've got one job. If you're going to do more than one job daily, then change it there. This is the average price per job. And then here's the variable cost, 40%. 40% of 1,700 is going to be your cost and is calculated automatically, which would be the 680. The next section is going to be the labor section. In the labor, salary is going to be your executive team, whatever they're going to make. Employees, however many employees you have, put them here. Average rate of pay, put it here. 172 is 40 hours a week. If it's more, great, put it there. If it's less, that's fine, change it there too. And once you change that, it will automatically update into your financials. The next section is going to be startup costs. The first 2 lines is going to be the money that you're dropping to get this party started or to expand your business. Equity investment, how much money you're throwing at it. Loan amount, how much you're going to be borrowing. When you put a dollar amount in the loan amount here, it will automatically populate down here, and then just change the interest rate, change the term, and voila, you now have your payment to be expected to be made on a monthly basis right here. And again, it rolls into your financial projections as well. These all the numbers right here. From here below, you can change these titles, but these are just your startup cost categories. In general, it's going to be your tools, your vehicles, your inventory, your supplies, your advertising, office equipment, licenses, and miscellaneous. Feel free to change these titles here and then update these dollar the dollar amounts here. Just don't add any lines. You start adding lines, you're going to break the financial model. You break the financial model, you're not going to be able to use it. You're not going to be able to use it. Well, you just wasted your money buying it, so don't break it. So just change these titles here, great, and then just change these numbers accordingly. Next is going to be your monthly fixed costs. Whatever your monthly fixed costs are going to be, these titles cannot be changed. These are static, but your costs can be changed right here. Next is going to be your growth rates, year 1 through year 5 for your sales, your cost of goods, your salary, your labor, and so on. And then we already covered your loan information here. So anything that you change on this document right here will roll over to your financial projections here. This is just your highlighted information. Here is your profit and loss statements here, month 1 through month 3, quarter 1, month 4 through 6, quarter 2, 7 to 9, quarter 3, and then 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then, like I said, also right here, income statement, 5 years for your projections. And when you're all done changing all your information on here, on your information page, once you're done with that, just copy and paste the information and put it into your Word document. So this right here, if you update everything and you're ready to go ahead and update the income statement, just slide on over here, go all the way down to where it says Pro Forma Income Statement, highlight it, backspace it, and then hit Control V. And now your financial projections are updated into your business plan and you're set, ready to go. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up. All right, so in summary, when you are using my construction company business plan template, the Word document is customizable. The financial model, we just went through it, changed the numbers there. It updates your financial projections for 12 months as well as for annually for the next 5 years. There are some restrictions to it. The financial model is in Microsoft Word and Excel, not compatible with Google Docs, not compatible with Apple products. Also, if you have some questions about your construction company business plan template that you're interested in buying, but you have some questions, feel free to give me a call right here. Be delighted to have a conversation with you to let you know what's included into the business plan template. Any questions you have, be delighted to answer them. Once you make your purchase, though, once you do that, then any questions are going to be, I'm going to refer you to my tutorials. So I don't offer free phone support for filling out the business plan. For that, I do get paid to do that. So before you purchase, we can have a conversation. Love to talk about it. After you purchase, check out my business plan tutorials, which is right here, qualitybusinessplan.com/business plan writing tutorials. I do have, it's a free link. Go ahead and jump on that. Take a look at my different tutorials that I offer. Go through the videos. I think they're pretty in-depth. I think you'll find them, very helpful in completing my templates. If you do want to go ahead and buy your construction company business plan template, just go to qualitybusinessplan.com/construction company business plan template. And right there, you can go ahead and make your purchase. And once you're done with making the purchase, you will be able to automatically download the template, which again is in a Word document and an Excel file. And I also email you the very next day. I'll email you a copy of the template as well. If you don't want to mess with templates, you don't want to mess with those financial projections, you don't want the aggravation, you just want somebody to write it for you, I'd be delighted to do that for you as well. Just go to my website, qualitybusinessplan.com, business plan prices 3. And once you're there, I do offer a wide array of business plan writing, custom business plan writing options for you. All right, so hopefully this video is helpful. As always, have a great day and make a little bit of money. Thank you.